You know, those that just believe that if you don't get healed, you just don't have enough faith, or your confession isn't just right, or there's something wrong and everybody should be healed. And while I totally concur everybody should be healed, and I love to see that happen, I do not know all the ways of God. But I do know this. If Jacob was in this present generation, he'd be wrongfully talked about by a lot of people, because he'd show up at meetings dragging that leg, and somebody would be saying, now, Brother Jacob, if you just concentrate and really get a hold of God tonight, you could leave out of here walking normal. But the truth of the matter is, God left him that way, and left him that way for the rest of his life, so that he never forget and go back to the old self-nature again. Somebody say, wow. He left him like that. He wrestled with him all night long and touched the hollow of his thigh at the breaking of day. And Jacob halted on his thigh as the sun was coming up. But he'd won the victory of the battle that I'm talking about this morning. Jacob stopped saying it was so because he said it so, and he said it's so because you say it's so. And he left there no longer being Jacob, but Israel, which was prince with God. And every one of us is going to have that moment, that come to Jesus moment, when we say, Lord, it's so because you say it's so, not so because I say it's so. You're the father, I'm the child. It's not the other way around. We've got kids today that are running the house. It's upside down. And it's flipped into the spiritual. And we got people trying to tell God how to do his business.